I stopped doing something that I used to really enjoy, which was writing poems, videoing them, and then putting them online. And I want to come back and do that again, but do it with the things that I have learned since I stopped doing that. And one of the things is show the process. Show the process to myself, that I have to be clear in what I'm doing, and let whoever's watching the videos also see the process of how you take a poem and then you make more of it. So it's not just about the written words, it's about the ethos or the ethics of the poem. It's about wanting to present it in a certain way, which is then creating artwork to go with it, which is creating music or soundscape to go with it, and then trying to work out what the best way of presenting those words are. Is it in a physical form, or is it in a video form like this one? So the other part of that is the ethos or the ethics of the poem. And this poem is about consumerism, and it's about us taking too much and using too much and not thinking about what we're doing. And the other element of this is to use Ulster Scots led words in this along with English words to help make the point even more strongly.